Hello friends, welcome to UR Lighting. Do you know what's the same point in the interior lamps decoration? Yes, it's the white color. If you have no idea to choose which lamps the color suitable in your decoration, choose white. Usually it's correct. Here you can see we have a very large series and similar color but different in designs. We have a downlight, spotlight, jewel tent, and panel light. I think so many series could meet your needs in the decoration. Also, why we choose the white? Because it could match so many scenes and so many buildings like corridor, your living room, bedroom, and office. There are many places you can choose to use a white color. So that's why this color is used the most in our life. So recommend it to the white color and the whole series to you. If you have any idea or if you have some questions, remember contact us. See you next time.